So what we're accomplishing today is we're bringing in our core suppliers along with our internal resources. So as a customer, when you come to an event like this, somebody somewhere in that room can talk about the aspects of the application that you're looking at.
At C&E, one of our core values is we are the connections that keep people working. So this is the perfect way to do that. Having both suppliers, customers, and our technical experts in the room today enables us to have in-depth conversations that actually put some meat on the bones of a customer's application and how C&E can provide the correct solution to them.
Everybody can sell parts and components, but not every distributor can bring the technology and the expertise to the market. And a center of excellence, in my mind, assures our customers that we have the technology and the resources and the know-how to make a successful implementation into their factories.
At an event like this that takes, let's say, 6 hours, I'm able to have 15, 20 conversations with customers. That may take me normally 5 days, 6 days to accomplish. Work days, I'm able to accomplish that in a 6-hour period. And then it also helps develop the relationship between myself, the end customer, and then also the technical sales rep for the distributor.
We like having our channel partners be the face of us as a supplier, as Turk, but it's important for them to know who we are as a company as well. And that's one thing we really need to take advantage of here, is to show who we are as people and as a company.
It's just a great opportunity for our customers to see that the Siemens product line works with these other vendor product lines, and they can come to a company like C&E Sales and get the sales and support that they need to be successful with those products.
Yeah, it's not all the time you can get this many people in one room, so it's really nice for us to be able to take currently released products and show everybody all at one time. And in a day, we get many sales calls by doing this here.
Since we're new with GCG, they of course are learning our products as we're talking to their customers. So it's a win-win for us, because we're essentially introducing or training the customer and the distributor salesperson at the same time.
We find that anytime our customers have the opportunity to meet with multiple vendors as well as our own resources, we're really able to help a customer find the best solutions for whatever application that they're working on at that time.
So come out, grab some free food, get to know your suppliers, get to know our in-house experts, take advantage of what we have to offer here. We'll see you soon.